Hey guys, this is Pacifier. Just to let you guys know that I'm at Iron Horse Restaurant in Hot Springs having dinner. But wanted to let you know I'm having a problem with my downloading, and so I promised some of you I'd send some stuff out, and it's not going to happen. They're saying I don't have any room on my SD card, and it's not recognizing my SD card, and so because of that, I've got to probably try to find a Verizon place and see if they can figure it out, or call my guy in Blairsville and see if he knows. So sorry about that. I got some videos to post to you guys and really want to get them out, but just want to let you know what's happening, and I apologize. I'm just not really good at this. So it's a new phone, so anyway, having a great time in Hot Springs. Going to start out early in the morning. So anyway, have a good night, and thanks for watching and listening to me. Bye.